This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to limit access a page with a password in your hosting a website builder. First, I go to google.com and type hosting air. I click on the first link. I click on the first website. Here, I log in using my Gmail account. On the left hand side, I click on websites list. Now, I click edit the website which is built using the hosting a website builder. I click on edit website. Now my website has been opened. Now, I set a password to the link which is Flipcoin. For this, I go to the menu on the left hand side. I click on the pages and navigation. I scroll down and click on the three dots next to the flip coin, and here I select password. Now I enable the password, and here you can read the conditions. Here I give the password as 123456 and I choose the design as this one. Here you can change the text as welcome guest. If you want, you can change the subheadings and button text, and I back to home button. I click on save. I click on update website. Now I click on visit site. Now I click on the flip coin menu. Here you can see our changes has been successfully published here. I type the password as 123456 and enter. Now the particular website has been successfully listed here. So in this way, you can add a password to any page in your hosting a website builder. Thank you.